Okay. Today I'm gonna do some beef stew. Got some ingredients here. Got my beef broth. I got some cubes. Got the beef cubes. Got my carrots, potatoes, chuck, Lawry's, black pepper, beef broth, and I am out camping right now, and I am going to try and do this on my Dutch oven. We'll see how it works, me doing it by myself. Usually I have the wife hold the camera for me, and I am out camping. The luxury of camping. You know, gotta have that too. So, I guess basically I'm gonna go out there and see if that's good and warm yet, and it should be. Should be warm. Go out there and brown these bad boys up for a little bit. Hang on a second, let me try to... I know this is gonna be all over the place. It's probably gonna be my worst video or my best. I don't know, but look at this. Look at what the wife bought me. And then look at this. Look at that. It extends. It's pretty damn cool. Look at here. Zing. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Alright. Quit fucking around. Let's do this. Alright. I'm going to try to do this by myself. Let me get some beer real quick. Alright. Let's try this. This is going to be like a live deal type deal. Keep my damn finger out of the way here. Alright. And goes the beef stew, the chuck, I mean. Get my finger out of the damn way. Alright. Oh. I can be way up here, look at that. All I'm going to do right now is just brown them. That's it. Just brown them. Oh, no. I'm not going to cook them all the way through. Do that for a little bit, and I'll be right back with you. Okay. It is done, so I am going to bring my potatoes out. Should have brought this all out before I even turned the phone back on. Alright. Okay. Get my carrots out there. Okay. Get my seasonings and my broth. And we'll do this. Okay. Alright. See? They're nice. Nice and brown. Okay. The potatoes. Throw those in there. And the carrots. I don't know. I just I used baby carrots, and then I used the golden potatoes. I gotta get this broth in here. Hang on a second. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. Hang on. Okay. I had to cut that part for a minute. I had to get my pepper all grinded up and thrown in there. Oh, and then there it goes away. Well, yeah. I'll add more. I'll do it later. Maybe the wife will be here later. She'll help me. Alright. Now, some broth. I don't know. Some generic. I don't know. Maybe not generic Swanson. I go probably about, I'm gonna go probably about, not quite, about 3/4. Nothing covered. Nothing covered right now. If we need to add more water, we'll add more water. If we need to add something, we'll add something. Sorry guys, I'm bad doing this by myself. So, alright. I'll get the lid on it and get back with you guys here in a little bit. Alright, it's been probably about 25, 30 minutes. This is what it's looking like so far. It's looking good. It still ain't soft enough yet, but it's getting there. Alright. Alright, this is the next little part. I'm gonna do 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. Where's my spoon? Okay. And hang on a second. Okay, I had to put that down to get some brown gravy in here. That's about 5 to 6 tablespoons. Put that in the water. Stir it up. Just make sure you get most of the clumps out. Most of them. Alright, we're gonna do just a little bit more gravy in here. Just a little bit more. It doesn't look right to me. Maybe 2 more. Alright. And then basically I'm gonna throw this in there while it's boiling out there and it's hot, and I'm just gonna mix it in and stir it, and it'll thicken up a little bit more. Alright, let's go and do that. Come out here. I forgot my mixer, damn it. Always forgetting something here. Alright. Okay. Alright. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's nice looking. Alright, now we'll just dump this gravy in. It'll thicken up. And we'll sit here and stir it for a little bit. And then we'll let it we'll let it get back to a boil again, and then we'll take it out, and then I'll stir it just a little bit more, and then it will be done. So maybe about, I don't know, maybe 5 more minutes. Hell, maybe not even that, maybe 3. All right, it should be time. Ugh. Take this, put it over here on the concrete. Okay. Look at that. Looks good, smells great. And when it cools down a little bit, it'll thicken up. Look at that. I know this wasn't the best video, but best footage, anything, but I made do. Alright, that's how I make my beef stew. If you like my videos, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm going back to camping and drinking. Have a good one. Okay, I just wanted to add in on this. It's been sitting for probably, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes or so. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Where it kind of gravied up. It's not so loopy now. Kind of gravied up. Let me try to get some gravy in there. See? A little gravier. It's not so so loopy anymore. There it goes. Turned out damn good for camping. Alright, that's all I wanted to show you.